Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinatawag ng Chiba Jets ang Ganma Crane Thunders 82-75. Para sa Chiba Jets, nagtala si Yuta Watanabe ng 14 points at 7 rebounds. Para naman sa natalong Ganma Crane Thunders, Trey Jones 10 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Dinaig naman ng Hiroshima Dragonflies ang Saga Ballooners 95-91. Top performer ng Hiroshima Dragonflies si Toshoki Kamisawa sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 3 rebounds at 8 assists. Para naman sa natalong Saga Ballooners, Rinaldo Garcia 17 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists at 4 steals. Tinambakan naman ng Nagoya Diamond Dolphins ang Yokohama B Corsairs 91-71. Top performer ng Nagoya Diamond Dolphins si Scott Etherton sa likod na kanyang 19 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Yokohama B Corsairs, Kiefer Ravena 2 points, 2 rebounds at 5 assists. Dinaig din ng Utsunomiya Bricks ang Osaka Evesa 77-76. Top performer ng Utsunomiya Bricks si Deji Nobel sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 8 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Osaka Evesa, Ray Parks Jr. 14 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Wagi naman ang Alvark Tokyo kontra sa Shaimin Susano Magic 78-74. Top performer ng Alvark Tokyo si Leonardo Mendel sa likod na kanyang 16 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist at 3 steals. Para naman sa natalong Shaimin Susano Magic, Cody Clark 15 points, 4 rebounds at 3 assists. Tinalo naman ng San Ennio Phoenix ang Koshigaya Alpas 90-78. Top performer ng San Ennio Phoenix si David Nwaba sa likod na kanyang 20 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 steals. Para naman sa natalong Koshigaya Alpas, Kai Soto 15 points, 13 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 blocks. Tinambakan naman ng Kyoto Hanares ang Seahorses Mikawa 91-70. Top performer ng Kyoto Hanare si Yuta Okada sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 2 rebounds at 6 assists. Para naman sa natalong Seahorses Mikawa, Davante Gardner 18 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Pinayoko naman ng Akita Northern Happinets ang Ryukyu Golden Kings 67-63. Top performer ng Akita Northern Happinets si Yanis Moren sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 14 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Ryukyu Golden Kings, Alex Kirk 12 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Ibaraki Robots ang Sendai 89ers 84-67. Top performer ng Ibaraki Robots si J. Heavy Floyd sa likod ng kanang 14 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists at 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Sendai 89ers, Stanton Kidd 13 points, 9 rebounds at 1 assist. Panalo naman ang Nagasaki Vilca kontra sa Shiga Lakes 84-79. Para sa Nagasaki Vilca, nagtala si Eiji Edo ng 10 points, 7 rebounds, 2 steals at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Shiga Lakes, Brook Motom 21 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Wagi din ang Sunrocker Shibuya kontra sa Fighting Eagles Nagoya 89-77. Top performer ng Sunrocker Shibuya si Josh Hawkinson sa likod na kanyang 33 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Fighting Eagles Nagoya, Aaron Henry 18 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Livanga Hokkaido ang Kawasaki Brave Thunders 89-71. Top performer ng Livanga Hokkaido si Ryan Craner sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Kawasaki Brave Thunders, Matthew Wright 16 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 14, 2024. Alvark Tokyo 18 wins, 2 losses. San Ennio Phoenix 16 wins, 4 losses. Chiba Jets 16 wins, 4 losses. Utsunomiya Bricks 16 wins, 4 losses. Shaimin Susano Magic 14 wins, 6 losses. Ryukyu Golden Kings 14 wins, 6 losses. Ganma Crane Thunders 13 wins, 7 losses. Sunrocker Shibuya 13 wins, 7 losses. Seahorses Mikawa 13 wins, 7 losses. Akita Northern Happinets 12 wins, 8 losses. Ang koponan ni Ray Parks Jr. na Osaka Evesa 11 wins, 9 losses. Kyoto Hanares 10 wins, 10 losses. Nagoya Diamond Dolphins 9 wins, 11 losses. Ang koponan ni AJ Edo na Nagasaki Vilca 8 wins 12 losses. Hiroshima Dragonflies 8 wins 12 losses. Saga Ballooners 7 wins 13 losses. Ang koponan ni Dwight Ramos na Livanga Hokkaido 7 wins 13 losses. Ang koponan ni Kiefer Ravena na Yokohama B Corsairs 7 wins 13 losses. Fighting Eagles Nagoya 7 wins 13 losses. Ang koponan ni Kai Soto na Kushigaya Alpha 6 wins 14 losses. Ebaraki Robot 6 wins 14 losses. Sendai 89ers 4 wins 16 losses. Ang koponan ni Matthew Wright na Kawasaki Brave Thunders 4 wins 16 losses. Shiga Lakes 1 win 19 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 15, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Sunrocker Shibuya at Fighting Eagles Nagoya 1:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Kyoto Hanares at Seahorses Mikawa 1:05 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Chiba Jets at Ganma Crane Thunders 1:05 ng hapon. Maghaharap din ang Saga Ballooners at Hiroshima Dragonflies 1:05 ng hapon. Kakaharapin naman ng Nagoya Diamond Dolphins ang Yokohama B Corsairs 2:05 ng hapon. Magsasagupa naman ang Utsunomiya Breaks at Osaka Evesa 2:05 ng hapon. Magtutuos naman ang Albark Tokyo at Shaimin Susano Magic 2:05 ng hapon. Magtutuos din ang Sun X Neo Phoenix at Kushigaya Alpas 2:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Ryukyu Golden Kings at Akita Northern Happinets 2:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Ibaraki Robots at Sendai 89ers 2:05 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Kawasaki Brave Thunders at Livanga Hokkaido 3:05 ng hapon. Magsasagupa naman ang Nagasaki Vilca at Shiga Lakes 4:05 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.